everyone, this is Maria and today I have a fun unboxing. I purchased these Cutetitos at Walmart in the toy department. And so I paid $9.99 for each one of these. I even got this box. I think it's so cute. It says collect all 12 stuffed animals, unroll Cutetitos, a furry friend. Which Cutito will you unwrap? And so here is the package that they come in. And look at that artwork, so cute. I mean, I can tell that they feel really soft. When I first saw these, I just had to giggle because of the tortilla, and it looked like a burrito. Look at that. It looks like the tortilla is the little blankie. And so back here it says, Cutetitos take burrito naps all warm and snuggly. Unwrap a Slotito, Pepito, or Catito and discover its hotspot personality. Will yours be mild, medium, or spicy? Discover what's inside. And it looks like there's a little chili pepper right here, and that's called the hotspot, mild, medium, or spicy. And look at this. This is a Chihuahito, like a Chihuahua. And so these are made by Basic Fun. There's a website here. So let's go ahead and open these, you guys. I've got my scissors right here, and so I want to be really careful. There we go. And let's see what we have. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. Oh my gosh, this tortilla feels really soft already. Oh, look at this. It looks like a burrito, you guys. Oh my gosh, I love this. Oh my gosh. Oh, what do we have here? Oh, look at this. Oh, wow, you guys. Oh my goodness, you guys. This is super cute. My Cutometer is going off the chart, you guys. Super, super cute. Oh my gosh. And look, the tortilla has Velcro on it, you guys. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Adorable. Right off the bat, I want to say this is definitely worth my $10. Just super cute. Oh, look at this. There's like a little chart here. And it has the different ones that are available, and it tells what they are: mild, medium, hot, super spicy. And so there's little question marks, like little mystery ones there. And these also look like, are they stickers? No, they're not stickers. So this is like just a little chart. And this one is named Pepito. Pepito, his birthday is May 14th. And let's see what his hotspot, it said is medium. Look at that. There's his little glittery hot spot, and it's medium. So Pepito is a Chihuahito, and his favorite quote is, life is burrito-ful. I agree, Pepito. So Pepito is very soft, very plushy. He also has a little bit of a feel like the Beanie Babies. So I could feel something moving in there, kind of like a little bean bag. But mostly he just feels super soft, you guys. I love him. And so here's the tortilla blanket. Looks real, doesn't it? Okay, so let's wrap up Pepito. Gonna put the tortilla there, and then we're gonna put him right up there. Gonna put the tortilla over, fold it over, and then I'm going to stretch this over to the Velcro. There we go. He's nice and snuggly in his burrito. So let's take another one. And so, yeah, these are definitely worth the money. I can tell already, you guys. And so I hope they make more of these. And so let's go ahead and snip that off. And let's see who the second one will be. Again, very soft as soon as you pull it right out of the package. And let's take this foil off. And let's see. Oh my gosh, look at this, you guys. Oh, so, so cute. I love him. So let's go ahead and open him up, unwrap him from his snuggly tortilla, and let's see who he is. So meet Luckito. Luckito as in lucky. His birthday is August 17th, and his hotspot is hot. There's his chili pepper, his red chili pepper, and he is a Catito. And it says that his saying is, you guac my world. Get it, you guys? As in you rock my world, you guac my world, as in guacamole. I love that. Okay, so now let's see who will be joining Pepito and Luckito. Again, so super cute. Just love these. Whoever came up with this idea was just so clever. And so let's go ahead and see who this is. Oh my gosh. I'm so glad I got 3 different ones. Look at this face. Oh my gosh, so cute. Okay, so let's see who this is. We're going to unwrap him. Frostito, his birthday is September 9th. His hotspot is hot, and he is a burrito. And he loves to give free huggitos. Oh my gosh, so cute. I love it. And so let's go ahead and say hello to Frostito. Hello there, Frostito. You're so adorable. And there is his little hotspot, and he is hot. So we have 2 hots and 1 medium. Let's go ahead and rewrap Frostito back in his tortilla so he can join his other Cutito friends. And there they are, the 3 cute Cutitos, and they definitely live up to their name. And I really think they were worth the $9.99 that I spent on each one of them at Walmart. And so I may just go back to buy a few more. Oh wait, you guys, I already did. So if you have been watching this video all the way to this point, this is a hidden giveaway. This giveaway begins today, Saturday, December 8th, 2018. It will end 24 hours later on Sunday, December 9th, 2018. And I will announce the 2 lucky winners of these Cutitos on Monday, December 10th, 2018. So remember, this is a hidden giveaway. So again, if you have watched this video until this point, you are eligible to enter. And all you have to do in the comments below, say, I love burrito naps. I love burrito naps. So this giveaway is open to USA subscribers only. Also, if you are under the age of 18, you must have your parents' permission to enter this giveaway. And I must emphasize must, because if you should win this giveaway, I'll need your shipping information to mail you your prize. So good luck to everyone, and thanks for watching my video, and I'll talk to you soon, everyone. Bye-bye.